The lie your parents told you about money. They didn't mean to hurt you. They thought they were helping. But this lie is keeping you broke. Work hard and you'll be fine. Get a good job and the money will follow. Just put in the hours and everything will work out. Sound familiar? It's what most of us were taught, and it's completely wrong. Here's the truth. Hard work doesn't build wealth. Systems do. You can work 60 hours a week and still be broke. Millions of people do exactly that. They're exhausted, they're burnt out, and they're still living paycheck to paycheck. Because working hard and managing money are two completely different skills. Your parents probably weren't great with money either. Not because they were lazy, they worked incredibly hard. But nobody taught them how money actually works. So they passed down the only advice they had: work hard. But that's just half the equation. Here's what they should have said. Work hard and build a system for your money. Earn it and manage it. Make it and direct it. Without a system, money disappears. It doesn't matter how much you make. Without direction, it's gone. The Finance Reset Toolkit is the system nobody taught you. You enter your income. You enter your expenses. It shows you your real surplus, the money you actually control. Then you assign every dollar a job. Emergency fund, debt payoff, savings goals. Every dollar has a destination before you spend it. The interactive web app lets you simulate your future. What if you get a raise? What if you start a side hustle? You see the impact of every decision before you make it. This is what builds wealth. Not just hard work. Hard work plus a system that captures what you earn and makes it grow. People using this system finally broke the cycle. They work hard and they keep what they make. They earn it and they grow it. They stopped believing the lie and started building real wealth. If you're ready to add the missing half, hit the like button, comment system below, and subscribe for more. Tap the link in the description to get the Finance Reset Toolkit and build the system your parents never taught you. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.